Welcome to Healthy by Heath. So this is cilantro. We're going to be putting it into our hot sauce. You have to soak it first and then you rinse it. Very important thing to remember is that with greens, you have to be especially careful of salmonella, E. coli, things like that. They're the number one causes. So spinach, cilantro are number 1 and 2, and then every other green that's out there. So you always want to make sure that when you are soaking them, you soak them in cold water. And here's a hack for you. So just in case it's a hot day or whatever, you'll want to make sure that you add ice to the water. So I got my ice and I'll add it to the water. And now I can feel free to walk away for at least a half hour to an hour to do the other prep stuff that I have to do without worrying about getting any foodborne diseases from the greens. Today it's cilantro, another day might be spinach or kale or lettuce or something else. But just make sure that you're always very careful when it comes to your greens. Thank you.